My people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today, the 15th of September, 2023. For today, I did for location. The location when I did, I can monitor stamping floor. We want to have you do talk show. Give August stamping man make it do for us now. Can monitor for today. In front of me, na the Oga Bedis. Oga, good morning.
My people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
I want to talk to you. So, my name is Aboyen. What is your name?
My name is Humphrey Eyimofe.
Okay, what the stamping floor we want to have you are giving a monitor. You will take me around the work whether you don't finish or you sit there on it before they take me around the work. Okay, what you go later our viewer when they patronize you through this our channel, particularly you want to give this work.
I want first of all I want to thank Edo Talk Show. They take me the opportunity to showcase my talent for their platform, and as you thank Edo Talk Show clients will call me through Edo Talk Show will take give me this work. Any way they around the world, God go bless and where God go multiply our pocket for it. In Jesus' name.
Amen. Our viewer, before you give any of our clients work, you have to call our number or number there on top of this video. Okay, we go start to the showcase what we are called monitor. Okay. Our viewer see the work when you do here.
Very good, sir.
Okay, you will take me around the work.
As you come, so you see, I'm saying, a rainy season, now you take come here, so.
Yes.
When the work, we will do now from back, we for carry and come.
Okay.
And all the water, they flow where, you don't get anywhere where water gather for the compound.
Okay, now from that side?
From back that side.
Okay, that is back that side, raise and
come, slope and come till we call ridge gate here.
Okay, call ridge this extreme end. Yes. Okay, I don't say, I saw the way water go the float.
Flow they go, then the other side, the other side, again where we put pipe, that side, where the water go they pass, they come out too.
Okay, move they follow like this, where we are seeing.
So this one are caps. This caps.
Okay, now you see arrange this curve here.
This caps now pipe. Then the inside.
Okay, that's a toilet pipe.
From here direct down go lead to the soakaway.
It's alright.
So the reason we put this cap now to protect that chamber pipe so that tomorrow when they won't do work, they know what they call us say they won't destroy ground.
Yes.
Pipe this. So now to just dig and which we call put and fill and with sharp sand. Now to just remove the sharp sand. Do what they want to put them back.
See, put the sharp sand back.
Sharp sand back.
Okay, why you do like that? You create a case of maybe toilet pipe block.
They want through.
Very good idea.
Even before we even start the work, so you go get one play with the soakaway, because the soakaway not come up before. Now we go set block, raise and come up, put that cover where you see for front there. So
okay, this very cover. Okay, yes. You can raise them up.
The soakaway they down with like 3 feet down.
Okay.
So what we call do? I call look at if we do this floor work tomorrow. Yes. This soakaway call full now. They feel call us say they want to put soakaway now to call the destroy ground. Now tell us okay. First of all, before we do our work, we first check the soakaway. And really what we call chisel the soakaway because you not get more or you not get anywhere.
Yes.
Because say the soakaway don't full safe.
Okay.
And in water not they go there, not get anywhere. To the extent, even if you floor safe, all this space don't block. So they got to suck the soak away. I got to say, okay, the way forward, now to set block more create man O. Now we call chisel man open for the soak away, the two sides, the water side and the waste product side. Call chisel around. Set block like two coach block come up.
Raise up.
They will call construct this cover.
Okay. Now you construct this one.
Construct this one.
Very
so
nice.
This one now, anytime they want to open now to just raise this cover onwards.
Okay.
Soak with it, they want soak. Cover them a bit.
Without affect this.
Affect the floor.
Very good.
So we do that. So at the back side with this one, from here now the water they go like this.
I don't say to slope
down. Pass that side, come on, go pass that O. Where we put for that side.
Okay, I don't say no. Like say we dey go as they work as
they feel like say we
dey go
step down, small. So you not get anywhere where water there, and I thank God say na rainy season take come. The last video we do for me that na rainy season.
Na still rainy season wey I take observe.
You see, I say all of them dey flow where. You know where water dey straight down. The water just dey go see the O for that side. So it's good as you still come.
So, good no during rainy season now you as I come monitor and may I see whether the water they stay and as I come like they flow.
They flow well. So this one I will do this one anytime we she come, we will call polish and but we won't just do like this first.
Okay, this one you never polish am.
We never polish am.
Now you fine like this.
We never polish am.
No, that's why I ask you question. Say that's what that black be. I'm saying you don't polish am.
No, we never polish am.
Okay.
This one I will polish am when she don't come. When they don't do all brother work finish for the ass.
And you never polish this very well.
Paint am, we will polish am.
And then you never polish am. That's a neat. Wow. First of all, when I enter, you say you don't do finishing.
This one are just the normal floor. We don't do anything. So this one, we won't call polish am now. This black, I tell you that time for that video where we do. See this black where you use to do the floor. Now you go use they miss the polish where you go take polish am.
Yes.
So and the black we will still use take polish am. When we want polish am.
Okay, when we say you use A, and you want to finish, you got to use C. It not go work.
It not go work.
We first talk about that video I do for you. A to A.
A to A.
Okay.
So this one are bigger black now we use. So now the same black we will still use. They miss the polish.
Yes.
We will take polish am.
So everywhere call it shine. So first of all, we see
do and come out for us.
We will see.
Small walkway, at least that one out. If you just see come outside, see relax outside.
Yeah.
Just sit down for there. So now that place the water they pass, they come out.
Okay, you do a reach more reach this see.
The water they pass, they come out. The one they come from back.
Okay. Yes, I say you do the slope.
Yes, sir.
Our viewers wanna see. All the way from back, is slope and come this side.
Yes,
they throw without water, no, they stay for the copper. When you see the amount of the pipe, don't see the water. It floats. Now you see do all this curve.
This curve, no, they don't put the curve. Why I put this one for outside, this small walkway.
Yes.
Now so that grass no go feed the come out for
we not call the come out.
You go come make this front no come fine.
Okay.
But as you put this one for you not get grass until grow.
Okay.
You know be like interlock where we say if you not go away, small grass go they come out.
Okay. Our viewers, the organ will do this work. Don't take me around the wall. First of all, when I say don't polish. I don't know say that still you never polish and you fine like. With it don't polish, say the owner, say if he come before he polish the work for her. So, stamping floor man,
yes,
like how many meters?
This compound are 230 meters.
Okay, 230 meters.
Inside this 230 meters, so we use 3 trips of sharp sand. We use 50 tons of granite. The cement we budget before now 100 bag.
Yes.
But we got to use extra 20 bag. Why we use that extra 20 bag? Now because of that soak away we go down. Because we got to raise and go up.
Yes.
So now make us take material. And we already they do the floor before they can't discover say soak away it all full. So all those material we don't find we could be like waste for ground.
Okay.
But the owner say no worry. Say the most important thing that soak away now just give her happiness. We say we feel discover say soak away it all full.
Okay.
Then we use 2 bags of beggar black, third one. Then we use 1.5 bag of red oxide. Then we use 2 bags of release to do the work.
Okay, I will ask you a small question.
Okay, sir.
Concerning this stamping film because I come across many.
Okay, sir.
When I see how they talk.
Okay, sir.
What did they call song? What they do when you call get Akpanigogo?
That Akpanigogo work. I don't see if I bring up that question that time.
I must say the answer. Now
I'll come again. That Akpanigogo way they talk so. Now when you they do the floor,
yes,
where you don't range and finish. As you don't range and finish, you supposed leave and small make it dry water. But because say some people now they do their floor work and they know they settle that they rush. They'll just put in no dry water, they'll just apply the black. And that black, you don't mix that black with cement already.
Yes.
You apply and put. You supposed leave that thing so that this black will soak well for inside the floor where you put soak. Yes. Before you start your shining. So if you not soak well, you call shiner. Because say blow day. As you dey shine and you dey see some kind of blow, you go over dey see the sign say blow they come.
Okay.
So if you come, if you the only way to overcome that blow wey dey on top as you dey shine na to put black again. Up to like 2 times. Okay. Before you shine and reach 2 times, like that thing will disappear. But if you can't do it once, do it 2 times, you can't just leave and call stamp am. After some time, you see say if you come press that place,
Go the pork.
they go inside. So now those one they bring those sauce.
That is so them that be akpani go be as they akpani give one okay. So square meter na how much?
This one we did do our square meter. You said the first video we if I do for me.
Yes.
I say square meter now between 1,315. But this one is negotiable. If you negotiate,
okay, like this one we do now negotiable with the one.
Yeah,
you say based on contract work.
We all negotiate from 1.5. We call negotiator. We call agree on a price where we say the work of still dey favorable to them, still dey favorable to me.
But our viewer will know the square meter.
The square meter now 230 meter.
200, that is the amount of each square meter.
Each square meter 1,300 per square meter. That will do the work.
Also now our viewer take the time, you know, so you get about how many square meter we get here?
Now 230 meters.
We will use 1,300 times.
Exactly, sir.
So to get the amount. And you don't talk about the tons we enter.
15 tons of granite. Half inch. Not be 3/4.
Okay. Which granite? That big one?
3/4 and be those big one.
Okay. Which one?
Now it's half inch.
Okay, half inch.
Where you say if you put out a bucket, they be like rice. They small.
Yes.
Now that one go feel occupies enough space as they mix the sand and the granite together.
Yes.
That one go feel carry go feel occupy space because they compact.
Okay.
They small. But that 3/4 because they big well. Even if you put, I know feel
miss
well to the taste where you want.
Okay. So the sand, you say
now 3 strip of sharp sand.
3 strip of sharp sand. That is a 2 in 1 and 1 single.
No, they bring 2 in 1, 3 strip.
Okay, 3. Okay, okay, 2 in 1, 3.
Yeah, now they bring.
Now you use. Okay, so based on say you not negotiate, like how much your cost you want to do this?
For the now you buy the material. For my labor, now you pay me for labor. Now that labor, so now be that 1,300 times 230 meters.
Okay, times 230 meters, they will get the figure.
You know, say why would they do it like that? Because if you tell you say, tell some kind of client say, see, before you know, they'll call the price down for you. If not, that is why it's good to do it per square meter, so you go know what they do. Okay. Because if you can say okay, 230, even if you want negotiate, but at least still put down for that price. They say. They see 1,250, they see 1,300.
Exactly.
So they go very easy for us too, for our own work, because people see they follow us, they work too. We see the settle people, we see they follow us.
I know you must get workers now, the boys, you also settle them. So once you polish this, in case of the owner come, you can't polish it. Like, what did this they avoid? But let our people know.
What did this they avoid? One, you know, say this house now they never do painting. That is why. Before we call police, me I go say like the owner no say me if I paint.
Yes.
Because he get one error way happen for one work, but not be from a do talk show work.
Yes.
I say the person call me. The paint they don't already do polishing before they go paint the house. And when people will go paint the house now, as they you know say we will let them know say me they not they throw away paint water for ground.
Yes.
They'll just wash the brush, wash everything for ground. And it could be saying address it before you know sun go
dry and
there. Before you know that place will call the fade small. You not go to see maybe they don't do the work, but you don't know see now paint. There are another thing, soap water.
Yes.
Not the pour up for God. I know say you get car, but as you wash your motor finish, carry a bucket of water, take rest the soap come out.
Okay, take wipe
and flush the floor. You go come back to normal. But if you leave it for there, it called dry put. Before you know, you call the see kind that place will come like say they fade. While some other places they shine. So anything chemical, as you put our ground, use water to rest and come out. If motor drive better, you still say Sunday, use water to rest and come out. You don't need say you call the use soap they wash them, because if you use soap they wash them, you they kill the power of that chemical. Because you get where it go rich. If you polish and get the way it go rich, where it go dry well. Before you start to do all this, because if you not dry well, you can't put all those things. Before you know, that beauty, that shiny way they shine, where you polish our ground, you go call the fade small.
Okay, the beauty where they attract people, you call the fade, you call the say door
one
I say read the bitters. So in case of other viewer come across this work through our channel, they get this type of 50 by 100, the same price we do this if they do for them.
We'll fix it down for them.
Okay.
But now the location I go call
okay, the location will determine. Thank you. The location, our viewer said the location I go determine.
The price then.
Okay, you can call your number where our viewer
my number now 070-3456-5000. That is 5,000. Okay. My other number now 090-240-88002.
My people, I greet you for the time I want to watch this video.
I greet you now. God will bless.